Hi, I'm with Guillaume Moutier, who is a senior principal and data engineering architect with Red Hat. He's actually instrumental on a Red Hat OpenShift Data Science product. And I'm here to talk to him about some of the new capabilities of Red Hat OpenShift Data Science, specifically around the data pipelines capabilities. What is the customer problem that we're trying to solve with data pipelines?
Well, data scientists, they would like to, to think that data is already there, and then I can train my models on them and on this data, and then I can simply serve my model and everything is perfect. But first, you have to get this data. You have to clean it up. You have to ingest it from whatever system is generating the data. And this can be quite an endeavor, to be honest. In fact, it's 80% of the job that you have to do. The training part and some model serving part, only 20%.
That much, 80%?
Yeah, that much. In labs, that's the amount of work that it will take, okay? So we have to find a way to simplify these things. And the new feature that we are adding, data science pipelines, will exactly do that. So basically, it's fully integrated inside your Jupyter environment. You can think and work on different scripts or notebooks that will do specific steps inside your data ingestion. So maybe first step is, okay, ingest this data. Second step would be some script to clean it up. Some other step will be another one to augment the data with some other data coming from somewhere else. So you just do your development with all those kind of things. And then within the UI, it's very easy for you to just drag and drop those different elements, tie them together, making the different steps, and then you just publish it as a pipeline. So in fact, what it generates underneath is a full OpenShift Tecton pipelines that you can run at will. So that's how you bridge the gap in between the data science work, the data engineering work, and the productization by having those pipelines running directly inside OpenShift.
Got it. And because it's running on OpenShift, you actually get the hybrid cloud nature of it. You can actually run this on-prem or in the cloud with some of the issues around data gravity and compliance and things like that. Do you think people will be running this more as an on-prem type of environment, or do you think it'll be a mix?
Oh, it will be a mix. And that's what the interesting part is. As it generates a native OpenShift object, these Tecton pipelines, it's just a YAML file that you can version, that you can push to Git, and that you can reuse anywhere. So it perfectly fits within a hybrid environment. Maybe you did this development in the cloud, and then you are using it on-prem with your data because you cannot move it to the cloud, or the other way around. So it works in every use cases.
What is this based on? Is it based on a Kubeflow technology? Or?
Yes. The engine behind the pipeline is the Kubeflow pipeline engine that we have integrated inside OpenShift Data Science. And it also leverages Tecton pipelines, which are parts of OpenShift. So all the way it comes from upstream projects.
Got it. And any closing thoughts you have around the data pipelines capabilities?
It will be definitely a great addition to what we already have in the product, the first stage of what you have to do with data. So from this, you can go from the first steps that you have to do, that is gathering the data, then to the model serving at the end. It's a full cycle.